In this lecture, we will quickly revise some of the important terms with respect to footprinting and reconnaissance. So, you need to have basic understanding about the term reconnaissance. What is that? It is the process of gathering information about a target. The term is derived from a military operations. So, in military operations, reconnaissance or scouting is the exploration of an area by military forces to obtain information about enemy forces, the terrain, and civil activities in the area of the operations. With respect to hacking, this term is used to describe the process of gathering information about a target. Let us now discuss about footprinting and reconnaissance in ethical hacking. It is the first step in a hacking process. It is like a window shopping. You browse around, look for the best deal and plan your purchase. In hacking term, it is the process of gathering the information about target. Let us now discuss about Google search operators. Google search operators are special commands and characters that allow the users to refine their search queries and enhance the precision of their search result. Let us now understand some common Google search operators. First one is cite. It helps to search the results from a specific domain. So if you want to understand from Hemang Doshi Academy what is the topic related to CEH, then you can use this particular operator. Related. It helps you to find the related website. If you want to understand what are the related website with respect to Amazon.com, so you can use this operator. In text. Searching within the web page content. In title, that is finding the words or phrases in the title of the web page. In URL, that is searching within the URLs. File type, that is specific file type that you want to search. For example, if you want to search for any PDF file, you can write file type PDF. And minus sign helps you to exclude the term from the result. Let us now discuss some of the key aspects. Which Google search operator will extract results only from a specific website? We discussed this. You need to write the name of the site. Here if you see, these operators allow you to search for the results only from a specific website or domain. For example, here we have typed site github.com and then Python tutorials. So it will fetch only the result from GitHub related Python tutorials. Next question, in which phase of ethical hacking Google search tool is primarily used? We already discussed this. It is reconnaissance. Reconnaissance is the process of gathering information about a target. So Google is widely used during this particular process. Next question. Which of the following advanced operator should be used to gather the information about websites that are similar to a specified target URL? Your answer should be related. This operator will return a list of web pages that are related to specified URL based on Google's analytics of the content. Next question. Minus in front of any term for the Google search is used to, as we already discussed, exclude that particular term from the result. Next question. Which technique is used to track back the original source and the details about an image? That is image footprinting. It is known as reverse image search. So reverse image search allows you to search for the images online by uploading an image or entering the URL of an image. The search engine then finds the similar images along with the website where the image appears. This can be useful for locating the source of an image, checking if an image has been used without permission, and then finding higher resolution for that particular image. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to access the full CEH course, please do check the link available at the description.